We've just acquired this lovely Volvo V60 diesel R design automatic, gleaming black metallic, unmarked diamond cut alloy wheels. Absolutely looks stunning on the car. It's in excellent condition, drives absolutely fantastic. It's the D3. It's got the full R design body styling kit with the rear diffuser and twin exhaust to the rear. Boot area is in superb condition with the original carpet mats. Full proper leather interior. You can see it's absolutely unmarked at the back. Got electric memory seats, electric windows, powerful mirrors, R design steering wheel. It's the facelift model. It's done 95,653 miles. Start the car up. Cruise control, climate control and air conditioning. It's got an AUX and a USB. Multifunction steering wheel. Auto headlights. So interiors all R design seats. It's got factory satellite navigation. It's got Bluetooth phone prep as well. Radio, including DAB. Full computer system. A DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.